Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. So, as I mentioned yesterday, today is going to be a makeup day. If you look through all the classwork, we did activity logs all this week, and we did them last week as well. And that's pretty much the only thing I've seen that some of you haven't done yet. All the stuff down here is all pretty much turned in with all of you guys. So some of you are just missing your activity logs, whether that be this week or last week. So just go through and see what needs to get done. Remember that Monday and Tuesdays are the same thing, because Monday we had issues with the school website and ClassLink and all that, so I gave you Tuesday to be able to do it again. So these two are the same. Just make sure you don't turn it in twice. And Fridays, you already know, are going to be used as makeup days from now on. So just go through all of your assignments, make sure everything's turned in so you don't get a zero. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Also, email me if you turn something in and you haven't gotten a grade for it yet, so I can go ahead and give you the grade so a zero doesn't stay in there. Let me know if you need any help, or you see something that's not right and it needs to be corrected. Maybe I made a mistake on my part. So today's an easy day. Just go through all your stuff. Make sure you go through all your other classes too. Get everything done that needs to get done. Remember to take attendance. And then if you submitted anything today that was missing, just shoot me an email so I can go in and switch your grade out from a zero to whatever grade you made after turning in your assignment. So that's it. Easy day today. And just remember to take attendance and email me those assignments that you're turning in late if you're making up any missing work.